real quick, I'm on my phone right now. This is a huge little update. I always say I'm gonna keep you up to date with the latest plays. You're seeing this video right now, you're ahead of the video that I'm gonna post tomorrow. That is new on Dex Tools. That's the one I'm entering. So if you guys want a chance to 100x, 1,000x your money, this is a great play. It's prime, the chart looks amazing, and it's a really good roadmap. So I'm gonna leave the link to the Dex Tools site down below, and you can check it out as well as the contract address. And yeah, if you want any of my plays before the video actually comes out so you can get an early entry, follow me on my Discord down below. Paid one gets a little bit earlier than the free, but I just had to put this out there before this video starts because it's insane. New is the new coin, and I think it could be like the next Hawk. So let's see what happens. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about another Hawk video. Now, I know I've been making these a lot recently, and I will start making more like on different tokens and stuff. I just have some really important news to get to you guys. So if you're new to the channel and you love money, you might as well subscribe because literally I post all these tokens and all this news before anybody else, and I call everything correctly. So for instance, yesterday I called 3 tokens and they've all 10x'd. I called them in my Discord chat that you can check out down below. I have a free and paid chat. The paid chat gets it earlier than the free one, but yeah, we did that, dude. It's absolutely crazy. So I'm probably gonna make some videos on some of these other ones that I'm thinking about getting into. Stay on the lookout for that. Also follow me on Instagram. I can answer any of your questions there, and yeah, let's get into this video. So yes, Hawk has some crazy news that we just found out. Now, this is gonna be the first video on YouTube about this. Nobody else has heard any of this information. We have an insider that knows all the scoop. She's been awesome. She's been correct about a lot of things, and worked very closely with her, figuring out who's gonna be an influencer for the coin, who's gonna do this, who's gonna do that. And we have a huge listing coming very soon. Now, Hawk actually tweeted they have 2 big exchanges coming very soon, and they were correct. We're getting listed on Binance, and we don't know the other one yet. Binance, like as you guys know, it's one of the biggest exchanges ever. That's gonna be huge. You saw what happened with Crypto.com and SHIB went 600%. So I'm predicting Hawk will do way more than that and do absolutely crazy numbers. So if you're holding, I recommend holding a little bit longer before cashing out, because you'll be able to avoid the fees. You didn't see my last video. You can actually just swap it to a different exchange and avoid that fat fee. We're gonna definitely see new all-time highs, just like Kishu, which I called, just like SHIB, which I called, and all these other ones. So I'm really excited. I want to get this news to you first. We're gonna kill 2 more zeros by the end of the month, I'm predicting, which basically means we're gonna get 2 steps closer to having that 1 cent mark, baby. So I'm really excited. I just want to get this quick video out there. Let me know what videos you want me to make down below in the comments, because I'm burnt out on Shiba and Hawk videos, but I had to get this information to you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you love money. You want to be up to date with everything crypto. Follow me on Instagram. Check out my free Discord down below and my paid one. I'm really excited, guys. I'll see you in my next video.